Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hide the Explorer icon in our Visual Studio Code text editor. So here I have a Visual Studio Code text editor session open. I can go ahead to my right section here and right click, and I'm going to uncheck the first option called Explorer. This will then hide that Explorer icon that was initially there at the top of our activity pane. So there you have it. This is how you can hide the Explorer icon in your Visual Studio Code text editor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.